The classification of dangerous goods. Number one, explosives. Explosives are substances that can undergo rapid chemical reaction, releasing a large amount of energy in the form of heat and light. This energy release often accompanied by the production of gases, which can cause an explosion. Number two, non-flammable gas consist from compressed gases. Gases in the air liquefied from refrigerated gases, mixtures of gases with other vapors and product charged gases or aerosols. Number three, flammable liquids. Flammable liquids include gasoline, diesel fuel, kerosene, and variable solvent and thinner used in painting and other industrial application. It is important to handle these materials with care and follow proper safety protocols to minimize the risks of accident or or injuries. Number four, flammable solid. Flammable solid, this will burn easily the normal combustible materials. The burning of flammable solid also freeze and rapid. They are also incredibly dangerous because they can explosively burn vigorously of products of gases. Example include the metal powders of sodium batteries and seed cake or bring seeds. Number five, oxidizing agent, also known as oxidizers. These are substances that can cause or contribute to combustion as a product of chemical reaction. Oxidizers are essentially combusted on their own, but the oxygen they produce and cause combination with other materials. Number five. Number six. Toxic substances are liable to cause death because they are name of suggest toxic. They can cause serious injury or harm to human health if they enter the body through swallowing, breathing in, or absorption through the skin. Some toxics will kill in minutes. However, sometimes may only injure in the doesn't exceed. Example include medical waste, clinical waste, and acids. Infectious substances refer the materials that contain pathogens which are disease causing microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, pathogens, or Parasites, this substance can pose a risk to human health and safety, particularly in healthcare settings, laboratories, and other environments where they may be present. 7. Radioactive materials refer to substances that emit ionizing, which can be harmful to living organisms and the environment. The materials contain unstable atomic nuclei that decay over time, releasing radiation in form of alpha, beta, or gamma particles, as well as neutrons and other forms of radiation. The last, number 9, corrosive substances are materials that cause damage to living tissue, metals, or other materials upon contact. These substances typically have a pH level below 2 or above 12 and can cause burns, irritation, or degradation for materials through chemicals reactions. Thank you, sir.